Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, manage your passes and add new passes, like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if phone meets security requirements, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, and you've got your screen lock set. Check full list of participating banks. And manage Password Manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you've got access to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.